We are live. What's up, everybody? Listen, happy Tuesday. Hopefully, you all are doing well. I know cryptocurrency is popping off. Fantastic time right now in the market for cryptocurrencies. It's all happening right now as we speak. Records are about to be broken. Let's make it happen. Join me, request me live. I'm sending a link out into the chat box. Let's go. Jump in with me. Let me send the link out to the Twitterverse and we'll make it happen. Let's go, guys. Let's send this link out into the Twitterverse. Is that what it's called? Twitterverse? Twitterverse? What do they call it? Because I don't know. I'm like new to all of it. I'm like super new to all of it. All right, let's get the link. Let's share it. We're gonna have a good conversation. History's gonna be made today. I hope you guys all know history's about to be made today. It's like, where were you when the SPY hit 400, right? That's a conversation to be had. Okay, let's post this into Twitter. Let's spread this out. Select. Can I tell you how much I hate the iPhone? Let's make it happen. Posting it right now. Let's just make it happen. Boom. And send. All right, cool. All right, what's up, everybody? All is well. Look, everybody's here today. All is well. What's up, Cody? What's up, Tracy? What's up, Calvin? Eric? Melody's in the building. What's up? Long time no see. Misfit. What's up? What's up, everybody? Let's make it happen. I'm going to post the link to the Zoom so you guys can jump on the show with me. Let's talk about it. Let's talk where cryptocurrency is going. Bitcoin. Are you cashing out at that resistance at, what is it, 4,800 something? No, sorry, that's that. I'm thinking Ethereum. That's 4,300 something. Bitcoin is 40 something. I'm tweaking 60 something. I have the charts behind me. Let me post the link right now so you guys can join me on the show. Let's post it right here. Boom. To join. Let me write that in right there right now. Hold on. Post it. All right. Let me pin that right there. What's up, guys? It's always good to see everybody. Swear to God, it's always good to see you guys. Guys, jump in. Eric, before you jump in, please, Eric, you don't have to jump in if you're not coming on the show. But if you're coming on the show, mute yourself. Shut the video off and mute yourself, Eric. All right, guys, let's go. Ask me some questions. Are you guys in Bitcoin right now? Are you in Ethereum? What's the word? What are you guys looking at? Talk to me in the comment section. Let's see what we're going to talk about today. We will do 2 shows in one, but we'll make it happen. It's hard to catch you live on here. I always miss it. Lena, you caught it. You caught it today. You got to turn on notifications. Or just set an alarm clock. It's that simple. BTC at 64,000 will break records soon. Yes. What's up, Gabriel? Who's coming over? Who's coming over? Who is that? I got people jumping on. Guys, mute yourself, but jump on, turn on the video, and let's have the conversation. I got Bitcoin, Ethereum. Guys, tell me in the comment section who got what. What coins are you guys looking at? What coins do you have? If anything, let's just make today a crypto talk, if that's what you guys are cool with. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies, where it's going. What are you guys holding? What was your entry? What is your exit? Take profits. If you're taking profits, why you're not taking profits, let's talk about it. This is going to be an interesting live as you see the Bitcoin energy logo behind me as it's bullish and charged up. I haven't carried my Bitcoin in a while, but I got my Bitcoin right here. I have this actually. I just have this. I didn't even open it out the case. And of course, you guys know I'm all in Ethereum. All in. All right, cool. Yes, I'm in Bitcoin. Sounds like Sebastian. I don't know who it was. The name isn't proper there. I'm holding for years. Okay, Jessica. Cardano, Shiba, Solano. If you guys want to come on and want me to analyze your coins, jump on with me. I'll happily analyze the coins with you guys. So let's make it happen. Again, just click the link. I pinned it. Jump on with me. Let's make it happen. And of course, you guys know I'm all in Ethereum. DeAndre. DeAndre just left. DeAndre was watching. DeAndre, that's one of my seminar students, guys. I think he's 12 years old. DeAndre, you can come back. You can have a conversation. Dan, I see you, Dan. Dan Lugo. Turn on your video, baby boy. Turn on your microphone. Come on the show. Let's talk about it. You guys, this is open for you all. Look at DeAndre. Guys, he's so young. 12 years old. He came to the seminar. It's crazy. It wasn't me. No, I know it wasn't you. It's DeAndre. Boom. Loading up on Filecoin, XLM, Ren. You guys are sleeping on. Matthew's in XLM, Ren. Okay, well, look, Matthew, do this. Jump on the live. Let's look at it. If you're telling everybody sleeping on those coins, jump on the live. I'll analyze it. Let's do it. Let's make tonight just full on crypto. Where do you buy those coins? Fred is asking. Matthew, I think MT Legend is Matthew. I'm pretty sure. Ruben God, BTC, ETH, ADA, Sol, Matic, XRP. XRP. Did an XRP drop again? Boom. I'm in XLM, Ren, BTC, and Ethereum for the long haul. Nice. As well as other coins. How long are you holding Ether for? Jessica, I'm holding it for like 2 years. But can I be honest? I'm tempted to sell all of it and get back in as it collapses and get it again at the low. I'm contemplating right now. I haven't shared that with anyone, but I'm contemplating. It kicked me out as DeAndre. It shouldn't have kicked you out, DeAndre. I didn't kick you out. How much should we invest in Ethereum to make a killing in 10 years? It depends. DeAndre, if you want to come back, just mute my live show. Just mute it, because then there'll be an echo. Zoom user, whoever you are, show yourself, baby boy. Or baby girl.
Professor, I'm Zoom user.
Oh my God, why are you all Matthew? Change it. Mute me first of all. Mute me on YouTube. Why do you do this?
All right, there.
Why do you do this? Change your name. Do I have to change your name, Matthew?
No, I'll change it. Hold on.
Change it. Put Matthew, don't put anything else. All right, Matthew, let's talk about it. I wish you were on a computer, not on a cell phone, but it's all good. It reminds me of the old days on IG. All right, baby boy. First of all, how are you? How was your week? What's going on?
My week is good, and the market has been very bullish this week, so I'm very relaxed.
So let's talk about crypto. Let's just make tonight about crypto. Okay. By the way, guys, it doesn't have to be just Matthew. The link is pinned. Anybody could jump on, but please mute the show before you jump on. Please mute the show so there's no echo. But anyone can join. Share your coins. This is open to everybody tonight. I'll leave until you guys are done with me. But let's talk about it. What is this, Matthew? What is it? What'd you say? XLM and whatever the hell? XNE?
Yeah.
Never heard. No, I'll pull up the charts,
maker.
Matthew. Matthew, I'll pull up the charts. Keep the camera on you. I got the smart board. But before I pull up the charts, well, how much? What is it? And tell me about it before I pull it up. Go.
I'm not like super familiar with these altcoins, but I got it when they were on discount, so when they were like a little lower. And Ren, I think I was in at around 68 cents, and XLM, I recently got in like last week, so around like 34 cents.
Okay, the question is, because I never heard Mark Palumbo, my mentor, guys. You know, if you don't know who he is, he owns his own crypto hedge fund. He taught me how to trade, my style of trading. So boom. I never heard him talk about these coins. So because you already know, I'm only in Ethereum. I don't care about the other coins. So where'd you get this from? Like, meaning, where did you hear about them? Why'd you put money in them? Are you in light, medium, or heavy? Give me.
I heard about it through the crypto DTT calls, and also I talked to Mark about it.
Okay. All right. Also, Mark said it's okay?
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, of course.
Tell me what Mark's. I just want to know what Mark. That's the only one I fully trust with that information. Tell me what he said about these coins.
Well, I gave him a list of like the coins I'm looking at, and he's like he just agreed with me. He didn't really say anything else.
Matthew, you didn't ask why these coins, Mark?
No, because I had a long combo Matthew, about different.
You're supposed. Baby boy, you asked me a bazillion questions. You don't ask the man himself that you went to Florida, you went to the hedge fund, you met him, and you didn't ask him the money you think you're investing in?
Well, I told him what I'm invested in, and he's bullish on all of them. So
no, but you ask him, why are you bullish on those, Matthew?
No, I didn't ask him on every specific one because I was mainly focused on Bitcoin and overall what cryptocurrency is.
Okay. All right, cool. Let's make it happen, people. Again, y'all are jumping on the show without muting the show. Mute me. All right, let's talk about it. So I'm going to pull up the coins right now. But before I pull up the coins, let me see if I just need to answer some questions. Hold on. Yo, you know what's funny? People keep messaging me, new people that are just discovering me in the Twitterverse, in the YouTubeverse. They're like, you know what I like? You take your time out and answer everyone's question. I said, that's what I've been doing. But they don't know who I am. They're learning who I am. And they're like really liking that. And I'm like, yeah, of course. That's what you're supposed to do. So Matthew, hold on tight, baby boy. Let me just see if there's any questions I need to answer. Okay, let me start with Jessica. How much should we invest in Ethereum to make a killing in 10? Well, Jessica, it depends on how much you want to put in and you don't even want to think about. Boom. So it depends on you. I can't answer that question. I'm talking about the coins you have in your hands. Talking about these? I give these out with paintings. So my site is not active yet. It just needs one click for my tech guy to get it active. But I give these out for free when you get a painting, one of my custom paintings. So boom. And when you buy the physical book, boom. I have a small account of Bitcoin and Doge. Doge, Lena. Oh God. Lena, try to jump on the show. I want to know your entry and let's just map out where you're keeping it. I can't go right now. I'm doing homework. Okay, DeAndre. Let's go, Matt. Yep, he's here. What's up, V? What's going on? TD XLM has been sitting on 35 for the whole year. Okay, we'll look at it. Fred, wait. How he gonna say we sleeping on those coins and we don't know nothing about them? Yo, Fred, you're funny. Fred, you're funny. Evelyn, hi, Evelyn. I'll see you on Friday. Oh, by the way, speaking of Friday, guys, no live show this Friday. My seminar starts for October, so I will not be alive this Friday. I'll see you next Tuesday. Boom. My seminar is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday. So just so you know. All right, that's it. I answered the question. Matthew, you ready, baby boy?
Yes. Wait.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, let me pull it up. Let's pull up the charts. Let's go. So what do I want from you? Let's start with the first one, XLM. I wish, you know, I wish I could just message, if we were on IG, just everyone tag Matt or Mark, have Mark jump on, but he lost his IG too, so we can't even do that. Boom. All right, let's go. All right, let's turn up the brightness. Why is it so low? It is high. All right, so where's BTC right now? All right, as we speak, BTC is at 64,000. It's fluctuating, but 64,200. The resistance, ladies and gentlemen, I hope no one can see the number, but everyone, let's see how good your support resistance lines are. Tell me in the comment box, right? Matthew, don't say nothing. Tell me in the comment box, everyone, what is the resistance of BTC right now? Not right now, but what's the number it's headed to? That if you are trading it, that you will take out. You will cash out and wait for the next level to fall back and then buy it cheaper. For the traders, I'm talking to traders, because I know people that trade cryptocurrency religiously. You know, they buy at the low levels, they sell at the high levels, and they just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. God bless those people. Tell me in the comment section. Let's go. Matthew, then when they tell me, then you tell me the level. Look, Matthew's mapping it out right now. He thinks he's
No, actually, that's not true. I've been having it mapped out.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'll wait for everyone to tell me that. Boom. Until then, let's read some more comments. It's because you're regular? I don't know what that means, Mark. Long-term investments, do you wait for consolidation or just buy the market price? Emmanuel, be more specific with your question. I'll answer it. Matthew, can you sit still for God's sake? Emmanuel, I want to answer your question, baby boy. Can you just be more specific with it? So I know I'm giving you the most accurate answer. Professor, can you explain the futures of BITO? How does the futures work? Ruben, it's 24/7. Just like oil futures. They're 24/7. They never stop. That's it. It's just the market that never stops. That's what the futures are. Keep it simple. I'm saying where you buy those coins you're giving away. Oh, Fred, Google it. You just Google it. It'll come up. They sell them on everywhere. Amazon, everywhere. BTC has no resistance right now, I think. No, it does, CD. I read Bitcoin was hitting the New York Stock Exchange. Do you have any input? No. Bitcoin is not hitting the New York Stock Exchange, Calvin. You're talking about the ETF that's hitting the stock. I think it hit it. Not I think. It hit it today. Not Bitcoin, the ETF of cryptocurrencies. Rodrigo, Professor, remember you said that. Thank you for not writing the word. Yo, this Rodrigo is smart. Said that blank. I was going to come back in October. I'm still waiting to go back to school online. I know, right? Rodrigo, it didn't happen. It didn't happen. You know what? It's all good because I'm enjoying the classroom. I missed it like hell. I missed my students in the class. I missed the interactions. I missed it all. So boom. What's up, Daryl? Daryl V87. Guys, no one's giving me the resistance level. What's going on? Give me the resistance levels of Bitcoin, man. I think it's the freaking delay. I was planning on buying ETH every time it retests the 30 RSI. It seems to always bounce from there. 100%, Miss Carlos. We'll talk about that too. If you want, jump on it later if your kids are not driving you crazy. Jump on. We'll look at ETH as well. But I want to have someone with me. Tanisha's in the building. What's up, Tanisha? Hi. Good evening. Jessica, I'm too scared to sell and wait in case it never gets back to the price. It just keeps going up. It's 75. Fred, the resistance to Bitcoin is not 75. Matthew. Okay, CD says 66K. It ain't 66K. Okay, they're coming in now. Now the price resistances are coming in. Matthew, what do you think the resistance of BTC is, my son? I want the exact number, Matthew. The exact number.
64,899, or it could also be 64. Yeah.
There you go, guys. Matthew got it. That's the level of resistance. 64,899. And if you can look at my chart, this blue line right here, the last time it hit it was April of 2021. You know, it's funny. When Bitcoin got that high, I was like, it's overextended. I used to tell the story in the early days. I was like, it's overextended. I sold the Bitcoin and I bought my motorcycle. So I had this, sold it at the 60,000s, and I bought the motorcycle with it for $25,000. The electric motorcycle you guys know that I love so much. It was all when it hit this level. I was like, oh no. This literally, so what was the deciding factor that made me know that it was coming back down? Look at the run it had. It was running too hot, too aggressively, with minor pullbacks, and then it hit, and then it collapsed. So now, how do you know that you should have bought more? Before I talk about your XLM, what was the other one, Matthew? XLM, what's the other crypto coin?
Ren, and also I have another one, Algo.
Algo. Oh, I know about Algo. Mark told me about that one. Mark liked that coin. All right, cool. So as you know, when Bitcoin hit that resistance at 64,899, what's that strategy of mine that I taught you guys? The knock, knock, boom. So if you notice, again, we're just doing a prediction here. It could be super bullish because of the crypto ETF. So it could blast through 64899. Again, for those of you, we're going to make some predictions tonight, right? Today's October 19th. It's 8:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll make some predictions on it. But as you can see, it hit. So Ms. Carlos, you were asking, how do you know when to get back in? Whenever a stock, again, for those watching that don't trade crypto or invest in crypto, that's fine. You can use the same strategy for stocks and cryptocurrencies and Forex. Right or wrong, Matthew, you do Forex. I know nothing about Forex, but you do Forex. You came to the seminar. Everything I taught you, can it not be used for stocks?
It's universal, yes.
So can it be used for cryptocurrencies?
Yes.
Can it be used for futures?
Yes, it does.
Boom.
Yeah, it does.
So you can use it throughout the industry, all of it, literally. So just so you know, this applies to everything. So whenever a stock, crypto, Forex, anything, whenever it starts going sideways, consolidation, this, you can get in anywhere you want over here. Once it starts doing this. So Ms. Carlos, there you go. And don't say that. It never gets to the level that you want it to get to. You can never get the perfect entry. I need you all to remember that. No matter what no matter how hard you try, you can't get the perfect entry, but the goal is to get as close as possible on a sale. Boom. This is what you should wait for. So now, once it starts doing this, it rallied right back up. It rallied right back up. So let's look at RSI. Let me pull up RSI. Get rid of the EMAs. I don't want them here. Gone. Let's get rid of VWAP. Okay. All right, let's look at RSI. So Evelyn, let me get rid of MACD. I don't want MACD here tonight. Get rid of MACD. All right, cool. So Evelyn, you were talking about getting it. You were talking about Ethereum, but I'll use a Bitcoin as an example. Matthew, is this a coincidence what I just circled?
No, it's a stage 1 after a stage 4 collapse from the El Salvador news.
Now look at the RSI. Is that a coincidence?
No, the RSI was very oversold.
So anytime you see this event take place, it always bounces from this level. I call this support. People call it 30, whatever. I call this support. I try to simplify things down for you guys. I call it support, and it always bounces off of it. Not always, wrong word. Usually.
excuse me, usually bounces off of it. So there you go. All right, Matthew, before I start your coins now, I'm about to start on your coins right now. Let me see if they have any questions. I don't like missing anybody's question. Let's go. I'm holding long term. I'm not trading it. All right, cool, Lena. Nice. Emmanuel, so buying each month at whatever price is a cool strategy, or just buy support and pullbacks? So now here's a question, Emmanuel. Great question, by the way. That's actually phenomenal. I wish I could pin multiple questions, but let's answer it. It depends on what your long-term goal is, Emmanuel. That's what it depends on. Your long-term goals. Are you buying it for how many years? Your cryptocurrencies. How many years are you buying it for? And if you don't care, if it's a long-term, like I'm talking long-term, when Bitcoin is hundreds of thousands of dollars, you don't care, then it doesn't matter. But if you're trading it or you want to be strategic, because I know some traders that buy at support, sell at resistance. I'm talking Ethereum. They buy as it dips, and then they sell at the resistance levels. Because right now, Ethereum is struggling. We'll look at that chart right now in a second. So it depends. If you want to maximize your dollar percentage, then you sell at resistance, wait for the pullback. When it consolidates, you buy more coins, and then it's resistance. Again, you just rinse and repeat, and the amount of money, forget it. Forget it. You know, for me, cryptocurrency is awesome if you want to do that, because you already know where it's going. So forget the moves are massive. The moves are massive. We might wake up tomorrow to 66,000. We could. Once it breaks that, there's no resistance after that. It can run. You think it will hit 100K this run? It could, Daryl. My mentor Mark Palumba said. What did Matthew? You spoke to him recently. What did he say? It's hitting 100,000 at the end of the year, right?
Yeah, of course.
Boom. There you go, guys.
100K.
There you go. You're welcome, Evelyn. Anytime. Is it smart to take profits? Is it smart to take profits? 100%, Fred. 100%. If you have debt, again, there's good debt and bad debt. If you have debt, wipe it off. I think that's one of the reasons that led to my success as a trader, is that I have no debt, except I guess the mortgage of the house. But it's a different story. But student loan, none. Paid that off many years ago. Paid that off. So boom. All right, that's it with the question. All right, Matthew, actually, before we start your coin, what the frick? Why did this come back? No, I'm not tweaking. I did shut off the EMA. How did that happen? That's weird. Get rid of MACD. I don't want you here. All right, let's look at Ethereum, and then we'll move on to Matthew's coins, I promise. All right, here we go. As you can see, Ethereum's resistance, the big one, is $4,380.64. That's the big level of resistance. But right now, it's struggling. It's struggling, as you can notice, to get past three. And I'm a little frustrated at this right now. But it's struggling to get past $3,971. Look right here. Look right here. As you can see, technical analysis is where it is, and it's struggling big time. Big struggles right here, unfortunately. And I'm upset. I'm literally deciding to sell and buy at the next dip because I'm holding on to a lot of Ethereum and I want to maximize. I've missed so many cycles where it's gone, dipped low massively, gone up. I've missed so many cycles where I'm like, I could have 6x my position, but I'm just like, what am I doing? So I have to contemplate. I have to call Mark and have a conversation and see what's the best maneuver. So boom. All right, I'm done with Ethereum questions. Matthew, ready? Give me your coin. You know what? Hold on. Let me just open up a new what do you call this thing? Watch list. Okay. So cool. Matthew, give me your coins, my son.
XLM USD.
XLM USD. Next.
REN USD.
REN?
Yeah, REN USD.
Okay, and you said you had a third one, Algo. Okay, I'll look at Algo. Even though I know Mark talked about it. I like it. If Mark says it, I believe it. Algo USD. All right, cool. All right, let's look at Matthew these coins. Let's do X. Oh my God, penny cryptos. Okay, that's all right. Before you tell me anything, Matthew, let me analyze it for a second. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's create its level. So guys, what I'm about to do, you should mimic it. Matthew, can you shut your video off? Because I'm about to do some work. But stay on, don't leave, but just shut your video off and mute yourself, please. So they can see the full screen on what I'm about to do. I want to see the full. All right, guys. So let me see if the smart board, you can see it clearly. Let me fix that right now. That way nothing is cut off. No, why did I do that? Boom. Boom. All right. All right, guys. So watch what I'm about to do. Here we go. I've never seen this coin before. I haven't looked at this coin. I'm about to show you how you basically do your technical analysis around this coin. Let's do it. I'm on the daily chart. What am I on? No, let's get rid of high connection. Okay. Boom. Let's draw out its support level. Nice. Let's draw out its resistance level. Boom. Okay, it's on a stage 1. All right. How long have you been on a stage 1, bad boy? You've been on a stage 1 since June 2021. Matthew, you don't have to answer what I'm about to ask you, but what was your entry?
Like 34 cents.
Okay. 34 cents. All right, you're in the profits. Are you in this a little bit heavy, but medium? What are you?
No, light.
Light? Okay. All right, cool. Now let's see this thing's all-time highs. This reminds me of, oh, this is a great trading coin. But let's see. Hold on. All right, let's see where the hell. Okay, here we go. Its all-time high is 79 cents. And right now we're sitting at 37. Okay, 40-cent move. All right. It had a nice XYZ staircase pattern. For those watching, fell right here, consolidated, continued the XYZ staircase fell. Okay, cool. All right, Matthew. I'm assuming you're keeping this to 79 cents. I'm assuming that.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. My question to you is, why did you not buy in the 20-cent range? Just asking.
I didn't pay much attention to the chart. That's why.
¿Por qué, mi amor?
I didn't, because I had another position, but I got rid of that position and I converted it to XLM.
What was your other position?
I was in Uniswap.
What? Why? I heard Uniswap. Mark said it's phenomenal.
Yeah, but I didn't. I'm more interested in XLM because I think it has more potential to run up faster.
Okay.
So if it runs up faster, I'd rather take profits and convert it into another crypto.
So now, next time, baby boy, look at the charts, okay? So you could have got a better entry on that.
Got it.
Kaboom. Kaboom on that one. All right, next one. Let's go. Next coin. Any questions about XLM, people, before I go on? But I think Matthew was the one who brought it up. I just wanted to chart it out. So boom. All right, next one. REN USD. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Let's map out its floor. You traded today, Matthew? Matthew?
Yes.
Traded today?
Did I trade today? Yeah.
What'd you trade?
I held a Facebook call overnight and took profits on it, and that was it.
Nice. Did you get into Facebook after that massive drop of the crash or server or whatever the hell?
Well, not right away. I got into it like on Monday because the market was bullish and Facebook was very cheap. So I just held a call overnight and made 400. So I'm happy.
Congratulations, my brother. Why are you not trading oil?
What happened?
Why are you not trading oil? Oil is popping right now. It's booming.
Oil? Well, I had an oil position, but I took a loss on it and it went up. So
which ticker?
I swung USO. Yeah, so I got in. Yeah, I kind of like yeah.
Turn your video back on. Turn your video back on.
I know. That's
Turn your video back on. People, I'm gonna take a 2-minute break from cryptocurrencies for 2 seconds. Okay, first of all, why did you swing USO?
because oil like oil. I see it getting more expensive.
Yeah,
Expensive as
of course. Baby boy, I trade oil. That's my thing. I know. You don't have to tell me where oil is going. I know about. That's my thing. I know
Mhm.
it. I know. You don't have to tell me that part. Why did you swing USO?
Because I saw it as like a couple months out instead of right away.
So wait, you're still holding it?
No. That was like a while back.
How long are we talking?
Like
Oil has been booming since late August. The market has picked up. That sector of oil has just been booming late August. So give me when was this?
so like I think like 3 weeks ago.
Matthew. So why USO? Why not something like MRO? I've been telling you guys where it's been going. I've been crystal balling it. If you look at my past lives, I told you every level it's gonna hit. If you look at the recording, or if you came to the book club that we have, a private book club, I literally told you what price it was gonna hit that week.
Yeah, but USO.
Yeah, give me the but. I want to hear the but.
The plan.
No, the but meaning what the hell? Why the hell did you do that? When you know I've literally told you USO MRO is gonna hit this price, guys. It hit that price. The next week, USO MRO is gonna hit this price, guys. Hit that price. Matthew, I'm waiting.
What I just USO is like the actual, like, it's the actual, like, I call it, it's not an indice, but it's like, carries everything. So
That carries everything, mother of God. All right, Matthew. Next time, why are we swinging?
well it was oil, so I wasn't that's the only thing I was swinging, oil. And because like I
Well, why
said,
did you take a loss then? If it was a swing, why didn't you keep it?
oh, because I got in at the wrong time, that's why. I know I didn't. Yeah, I it was my mistake. I know what I did wrong, but I got in at the wrong
What'd you do
time.
wrong? I want to know what you did wrong, because I want to know if you learned from your mistake.
I got in on like a stage 3/4. So
All right, you're gonna make my ass pull up USO, guys.
No.
1 minute, 1 minute extra break for me pulling up. It's like a dad talking to his son, or a professor talking to his student. All right,
I should have gotten in later. That was my problem. I should have gotten
All
in
right,
on the stage
give me the
1.
date, my son. Give me the date.
The date? Oh, that I got out? I don't even remember.
Oh, okay. All right.
Because it was like over 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, the whole month of September, October. It's been bullish.
No, I got out. Well, yeah, so I got out like early September, I believe.
Baby boy, I've been trading oil for a year, almost a year. December would be a whole year since I've been trading oil, and it's been bullish since late August. I even tweeted about the goddamn thing. All right, cool. I hope it wasn't a bad loss.
No, it was all right.
All right. But you shouldn't have gotten out. Should have stayed.
I know, but yeah.
So that's my last question for you on that, and then we'll go back to crypto coins. Why'd you get out?
I didn't want to wait any. I wanted to focus on other positions. So
Matthew, you're not a swing trader. Stop it, goddammit. Stop trying to do things that you're not. Are you a swing trader?
Well, no, it was. Well, no, I'm not. I'm more of a scalper, but
No, but then what? You turned a scalp into a swing?
No. I would never scalp USO. That's very expensive.
All right. We're done with this conversation. We'll continue it for another day. All right, let's get back. All right. Wait. Oh, answering questions. Hold on. Let me answer some questions. I answered that already. Jeremiah, what's up? Mr. Benga, Noel, how you doing? Good to see you. Noel, you can jump on the live, baby boy. I want to talk about you. ETH is moving slow. Why is that? We'll look at ETH. Another debt question. Should I take profits on stock instead of crypto? Well, Fred, you don't take your profits on stocks? I thought you're a scalp trader, Fred. Boom. Answer that. Let's look at ETH. I didn't I look at it? I'll look at it again, but I thought I looked at it. Are you trading and holding it, Lauren? I am holding my crypto. I am not trading my crypto. I trade stocks. Boom, Jessica. Eric, 46 peaks on this live. Nice. Hit the like button. I appreciate you, Eric. Thank you. Can we talk about stocks too? Yeah. Of course we can talk about stocks, Lena. Whatever you guys want. I have Luna and Cardano. Nice. How do you say your name? Can you spell it phonetically? I don't want to say it wrong. Geuri. Tell me if I'm saying, oh, I know you. You messaged me. You messaged me on Twitter. What's up, bro? How you doing? He's coming to the seminar, Matthew. I think he's young too, like you. MRO was lit today. Hell yeah, Rob. Baby boy, what's up, Scala? Dina shaking my head. Can you check space? I'll check space. I got you. I'll check later. Just please check out space. It took a good hit. All right, cool. Matthew, back to you, my son.
Yes.
You're taking profits at $1.84.
For
And REN, my son.
REN, when will I take profit?
Yep.
Hold on, let me pull up my computer.
And what was your entry?
Oh, my entry was like around 64 cents, 65 cents ish.
Nice, Matthew. Good job.
Yeah, I'm
how's
gonna,
this position? Light, medium, heavy.
it's light.
Okay.
So what I plan on doing with Ren is holding it for like a couple months and just like let it run over $1 and then eventually to $1.50. And then I would like to convert the crypto to probably like Ethereum, something that's more long term.
Got you. Yeah, because check it out, baby boy. Look, there's a knock effect right here.
Mhm.
And another knock effect eventually whenever it gets here. So yeah, it will. Sell it in the $1.80. And at the minute it's in the $1.80s, anything $1.80s, get out of the position.
Yep, that's the plan.
By the way, guys, I want you, for those of you that don't know technical analysis, don't believe in technical analysis, check this out. This is very interesting about this for my crypto traders and my stock traders. See how it held here? Let's go back in the past. Look how it held in that same vicinity. Look at that. Tells you that this is a strong level of support. So for my future people, if this ever falls again, which it probably, pullback is normal. You want to get into REN, in the 26, 41 cent range. Anywhere in there is a good range. So boom, 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 boom. All right, Matthew, let's look at your algo. How is your position on algo, my son?
Algo, it is a little heavier than Ren and XLM, and I am in at 104.
Why is this one a little heavier?
No specific reason.
Okay. Whoa, what a sick level of support at 67 cents. Look at that. Matthew, check that out. God damn. Look at that.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Where Professor Mark Palumbo approves of all my crypto list. So
no, I believe you. I just never heard of his. But wait, he comes on my show regularly. He never mentioned REN and XLM. That's all I'm saying. No, but if he told you, then I trust it. That's what I'm saying. All right, boom. Are you going to that crypto fair? That crypto conference next month? Matthew?
Oh, my bad. That was unmuted. No, I'm not.
What?
I said, no, I'm not.
Oh, okay. Why aren't you going?
Well, I don't know. I don't think it's like, I think that's like more for beginners. I no specific reason on why I'm not going. I don't know.
Get out of here. More for beginners. All right, Matthew, this is on a downtrend, baby boy. Are you looking at this?
Yes. Yeah, it hit up. I think it ran up all the way to $2, very close to it recently. And yeah, I have that same downtrend line.
Look at you. Aren't you a good student? Sasha Blue, come back. Okay. All right. If it breaks it, it's going to go bananas on the upside. So people, if you're watching, I made a trend line, I made a support line on this crypto coin. So if you can notice, everything you do with stocks applies to crypto as well, my people, and even currency, if you're trading for forex. So what's going to happen with this algo is boom, 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 or the same, boom. But for the sake of Matthew, let's hope it goes up. Let's check out the RSI. How's this bad boy looking on RSI? It ain't looking good on RSI. It ain't looking good on RSI. As you can see, it's on a downtrend on algo, ladies and gentlemen. Boom. That's gone. All right, cool. Cool, Matthew. What was it? What was your entry again? You said 60 what?
My entry was at 1.04.
Dollar. Oh wow, you're in the nice. So let me ask you this question: what are you doing if it breaks $1.54? What are you doing with this?
I'm still holding it till it goes past 2, and then past 2, I'll probably plan on converting it into Ethereum or Bitcoin.
So you're not taking profits if it breaks the 154 because then it's headed to 94?
Correct.
Okay, nothing wrong with that. It's cryptocurrencies. If it was a stock, I would have a different conversation with you. Anything else, my brother?
No, I mean, I'm in Litecoin too, but that's like, it's more of a long-term kind of thing. So
we could look at Litecoin. We could look at Litecoin 100%. 100%. Again, the pinned link is open. If you look at you guys in the comment section, everybody watching, welcome. Click the pinned link. You can jump on. You guys can jump on the show, just like Matthew is. I prefer to.
Professor, you want me to tell you something funny?
I'm listening. Just talk.
Let's just say I'm also an anchor, and that's like my heaviest position.
Can you do me one favor? Can we not talk about that coin? I don't need more. I don't need drama in my life.
Yeah,
I don't need
that's why
drama
I'm not
in my
bringing
life.
it up. Yeah.
Thank you, baby boy. Yeah, just not bring that up. I don't want any threatening messages. I need to be left alone with that situation.
No, but overall, I'm obviously bullish on crypto. I'm long term on crypto, so I like getting into these altcoins, and I like getting into the altcoins and eventually convert it into Ethereum or Bitcoin, because I don't really want to pay taxes on these cryptos, because it's taxes are a little higher on crypto, so I might as well convert it into like Bitcoin or Ethereum and just keep holding.
I feel you. And thank you for respecting what I said about what I just said.
I'll always respect. Yeah, but Litecoin, I'm also in somewhat heavy. Not heavy, but a good position. A good position. 6.04 Litecoin. 6.04 Litecoin to be exact.
Got you. Okay. I love it. Look at your age, bro. You know what's funny? When I was your age, BTC was pennies. How funny is that? I didn't have anyone teaching me any of this stuff. My economics professor wasn't teaching me this stuff. Let's put it that way. Oh, if life was reversed, Matthew. Literally, we talked. I'm very similar. You're very similar to how I was as your age. I had 3 jobs, made a sick amount of money, but I spent it on stupidity. Expensive clothes, a car, things I didn't need. But look how reverse things are. Imagine if we were talking and Bitcoin was in the pennies. God damn. Imagine the conversation. All right, there we go. All right, Matthew, what was your entry, baby boy, on Litecoin?
Oh, damn. I think it was in like 170s, but I know I'm up on it, but I'm not 100 on it.
Good. Nice. If you got anywhere in the 160s, 170s, you're good. It has a strong level of support at $162. So boom. So let's see.
Yeah, and if I'm not mistaken, eventually LTC will not follow Bitcoin and like go on its own. So like I'm pretty bullish on LTC.
Nice. Look at this nice trend it had right here. Wow. And then it hit and then it collapsed. Imagine if people bought it at these levels, man. Guys, one thing you should be learning from some of the technical analysis that I'm doing, you need to start buying at support. This video will be saved for the future people watching this. When BTC and all the crypto market falls again, right now it's bullish, it will fall again. This is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Guaranteed it's going to fall again. Buy more. Load up. I'm telling you, look at these levels. Boom. when I go on a live show, jump on and say, Professor, where do you think it's gonna fall? What level should I buy? Jump on. I'll answer it. All right, Matthew. Anything else, baby boy?
No, nothing else. I'm just overall I'm bullish on crypto, and like my goal is to not pay taxes on this. So I'll find a way to, like, you know, if I ever take my profits, I'm gonna find a way to not pay taxes on it. Like,
It's called Puerto Rico, baby boy. You were with me at my house in Puerto Rico. That's what it's called. That's where we're all going. Yep. So we never have to think about tax. So we can get the word taxes out of our vocabulary.
Yeah. So that's the overall goal. So that's why on these altcoins, I don't want to like take profits and like leave it as USD. I want to convert it into crypto. So that way, you know, I'm not really taking profits. I believe so. I don't really have to pay on those profits. I shouldn't have to.
You know what? I'm gonna hit up Mark and see if he can come on. See, I don't want to do this on the Zoom, but I think it's a good idea to do one on YouTube and have one recorded on the Zoom. I'm gonna try to get Mark on, guys, next week. I'm gonna try to give me a thumbs up. You know what? I like this. I got this. I'm gonna do what the other YouTubers do. Guys, if I get 50 likes on this video, I will get my mentor, Mark Palumbo, the crypto expert, on the one of the shows to come on the Tuesday or Friday show. Not this Friday, maybe next week. If I get 50 ups, let's go. Let's see, Matthew. Let's see. If we get it, I'll make it happen. How about that?
Yeah, of course. Sounds like a deal.
Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's get the look, now it's moving up. I see it moving up right now. I see it moving up. No, not in the chat box, Tracy. In the physical video. In the physical video. Let's go. Let's see if these numbers jump. They're slowly jumping. They're slowly jumping. Guys, not in the chat box. Not in the chat. Oh, it jumped. Matthew, you saw that?
Yes.
It went from 20 to 27 real quick. 29. Okay. It's going there. Yeah, hit that live button. Eric, I'm not lying. I'll get Mark on. What the hell? When have I ever lied to you, Eric? I've never lied to anybody. I will get him on, bro. What the freak? That's not a problem. That's literally not a problem. You know what? I'll do it. I'm not a fan of the Zoom. I don't want to bring him on because my audience was bigger on IG, but we'll do it. Damn, we're at 34. Looks like it's going to happen tonight. All right. Let those likes come in. Let them come in. Let's go. We get 50. I'll have him come. I'll have Mark come. And then we'll talk about everything. And we'll talk about the crypto fair. Sorry, I got to stop saying fair. It's not a fair. I think it's an exhibition. Boom. All right. Boom. There you go. All right. Anything else, Matthew? Jose, I gave you a thumbs down. Matt Nunez, why would you give me a thumbs down? Nobody gives me a thumbs down. Take that back. What are you doing? That's going to mess up the algorithm.
Professor, no, nothing else. It's just overall, I'm bullish on crypto. And yeah, crypto's amazing. So I have nothing else to say.
All right. I got you, Matthew. All right. I'll bring somebody else on if they want to jump on. Then we'll talk about other stuff. So boom.
Of course.
Thank you, Matthew, for jumping on. You're the best. That like type. Oh, you meant to say like instead of lie. All right, Eric, no worries. That was you, Nunez. LOL. He took it back. Yeah, Nunez, don't do that. You're gonna mess up the algorithm. Like it's gonna be against me then. That takes it away from the algorithm when you start doing this button. That hurts. All right. By accident. Okay. David, what's up? Alan, we on stage 1 on YouTube. We need all the likes. Now it's going up. I see that it's at 38 right now. Yeah, you can take them back. All right, guys. What else you want me to look at? Let's go. I'm done looking at what Matthew said. Again, I want someone to jump on. What else should I analyze? I'm here for you guys. Let's go. Let's see what Twitter.
Wait, Professor, can I make a quick comment?
Of course, bro.
I remember at Puerto Rico, we were talking about Shiba and how, like, you said it was on a stage 1, and I think you told Nunez like as like a semi joke, like, yo, put in a little bit in Shiba right now because it's on a stage 1, and right now I'm seeing a lot of people like talking about it, so I think it's on a stage 2 right now. I'm not in it. I would never buy Shiba because if Mark's not for it, then I don't want to be for it. But yeah, I just remember that comment.
Yo, Nunez, honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I don't remember this conversation, but if you say I said it, okay. So Nunez, did you get Shiba back when we were at the Puerto Rico house? Let me know. Let's see. SHIBUSD. I don't know what the hype about the Shiba coin is, but whatever. I don't care. All right, here we go. Yep, it was most definitely on a stage 1 in Puerto Rico. That's for sure. Go higher on this. Okay, it's so stupid. Like, okay, I understand. No worries. You know, I don't see the appeal of this point. Because Matthew, you're hip with the young generation. What is the appeal of this goddamn coin, bro?
I don't really see why people are into this coin, but I'm assuming by price because when something's that cheap, you get a lot of it.
No. I get that. I get that. It's the same fascination with freaking Doge. DOGEUSD. I get all of that. But I truly don't understand the freaking obsession. It's not even like, oh my God, it's an obsession. Like the individuals that thought this was gonna be worth hundreds of dollars. I remember the hype on Doge. It's going to hundreds of dollars. It's physically, it ain't happening, bro. Look at this. It's like, oh, by the way, so for the people in Doge, again, it is October 19th, 2021. Doge is at a nice level of support right now. It is a stage 1. So for those of you that are obsessed with the Doge, if you want to put in $100, if that's nothing to you, again, something that's nothing to you, go ahead. This is actually the best price point to get Doge at. I would actually say closer to 19 cents, but it's fine. It's fine. 24 cents is fine too. It's right at that resistance level. So for those obsessed with Doge, you can buy 100 and forget about it. Because boom. You can buy 100 of Doge, $100 worth of Doge and forget about it. There you go. There you go. Boom. Questions, Matthew?
No, I don't have it.
Okay. All right. Didn't you take it back? Okay, cool. NCR, Coljan. Okay, we could look at NCR. What the hell is that? Look at it. Please don't be a penny stock. Okay, thank God. Thank God. All right. Let me see if I'm saying his name right. Coljan. What about it, bro? What about NCR? What do you want me to do? Again, anyone who else wants to jump on, don't be shy. I don't bite. Click the link. Jump on the Zoom live. Jump on the Zoom live. All right. I'll look at this NCR. What is it? Electronic technology, computer processing hardware. The volume is not good on this at all. Very low volume. Close to its 52-week range. Cool. What made you bring this up, Coljan? This looks like a regular stock. Nothing special here. This bad boy is on a stage 1. You want to wait for it to get above 44.37 or continual to the upside. This right now, stage 1. What you want to wait for is this to break this line. You can't see it, I'll write it. 44.37. For a continual move like this. And then when it does this, get out. And you can short it when it does that. Boom. There you go, my brother. There you go. Elon tweeted about it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's Elon's thing. He loves his Doge. But his power ain't that strong because it didn't work. It went into the 70s and crashed. Owner of ETH is backing Shiba. Huh. That's interesting, Fred. I watched an interview where he was making fun of it. He's not a fan of it. He's not really an owner of it. They dropped it into his wallet. I actually watched his interview when he talked about that. They dropped it into his wallet, and he gave a lot of it to India when they had that COVID issue. So, boom. National cash register. Okay, cool. Good for long term or not? Let's look at it. So, what's your entry price on this, Koljan? What's your entry price, baby boy? Boom. Let me know. From there, I'll guide you better. People speculate on Shiba a lot, as many missed out on Doge. Also, there's also lots of speculative news coming out on burning the tokens and getting listed on Robinhood. Oh, it most definitely will be listed on Robinhood. Robinhood makes so much money from the fees on Doge. They're gonna make a fortune on Shiba, so they will put it on there. Most definitely. I like it. Yo, good analysis, Vlad. They missed the run on Doge. Now they want to get on the next nonsensical coin. I like it. Good job. So throw 100 at it and wait 3 to 5 years. Yeah. What? Listen, if you are the person that has FOMO on all these nonsensical coins, I'm not going to call it a SHIT coin. I don't talk like that. I have a young audience. I'm not going to call it that. But if you have FOMO about these coins and you want to be able to go to dinner parties and say, yo, I got money in Doge, bro. I got money in Shiba, bro. Cool. Put in whatever is a little bit. Everyone has their own definition of a little bit. You know, it's funny. I traded with 400K and I made a video that I said I'm trading with 18K. And I'm like, all right, guys, I'm going to make a video for everybody who wants me to trade with a small account. So I traded with 18K. It's in my free course. Link is down below. I traded with, I think, 18,000. I think it was 18. And people like, 18, that's too much. I'm like, 18,000 is too much? That's a little bit. That's like nothing, but to each its own. To each its own. So put a little bit in it and forget about it. And then come back and see what happens. Boom. There you go. Riot, ready to go. I'll look at it, CD. I actually work for them, so I get discounted price to purchase. So I want to know, should I purchase or not? Got it. Okay. All right. So your entry was 33. You're up $10 per share. Nice. Koljan? And let me know if I'm saying your name right, Koljan. Nice. So far, Koljan, it looks good. It looks good. Let me see something. All right, this is going to break. Koljan, my suggestion to you is this is going to break in a few days. The $44 will break. I'm very bullish on it, as they say. I'm not going to give a percentage, but I'm bullish on it. It will break it. And the next level is $49. So I don't know you. I've never seen your name before, but welcome. Depends on what your mindset is. When we're talking long term, you work for them, so you might have a different mindset. I don't know anything about them, so I can't comment. But I'm a technical analysis trader. So what I would tell you is you're already up $10 per share. You don't have to share how many. You don't have to share how many shares you have, but it's gonna break this any day now, 44, and it's gonna go up to $49.97. So you can play it however you want to play it. You can cash out there, and then what? I don't know if you can do this, but you can answer in the chat. You can cash out at $49.97, take your profits, okay, and then wait for the next pullback. Pullback. I don't know if you know what that means, but I'll simplify it. It's gonna hit this, come back to whatever level. You just want to wait for it to do this. Get back in and buy at another discounted rate. Boom. All right. Baby boy, look at SABR, 4x leverage. I got you, Nunez. That's when it goes to 1 penny. Damn the delay. I don't know what Fred is talking about. Then it goes to 1 penny. I don't know what he's talking about. Okay. Boom. All right. That's it. Let me answer the next one. What did he say? Nunez said, where'd it go? Mother of God, I lost it. Nunez. Did he delete his message? There it is. Baby boy, look at SABR. SABR. $11. Chill spread in the middle. Good volume. Collapsed. It's good, Nunez. It's good. Wait for it to go back to $11.07. I know you're trading this, so this is not a swing trade or investment, but wait for it to hit 11. It's on a stage 1 right now. Wait for it to hit 11.07. Let it drop 70 more cents. And see how it reacts. Excuse me. Actually, hold on. Hold on. I see much better support here. Much better support. 1065, Nunez. 1065, I would feel much safer and ride this up almost $2. Earnings are coming out too. So this will collapse. Nunez, do me a favor. Please text me this ticker. I'm going to look at it later, more in depth. But text me this ticker later. How's RSI looking? It could bounce at the 50. It could bounce at the 50. Sorry for your ears, guys. I keep hitting this because I'm too close. My bad. Man, I hope it isn't. The sound isn't too bad when it falls. Soccer blue. Soccer blew this thing to hell. It's my fault. It's fallen so many times. It's cracked. Okay, boom. All right, let's go. Looked at Saber already. Copy, fully understand. Nice. Shiba getting listed on Robinhood. Oh, 100% is getting. Yeah, it's probably going to jump then. It's going to probably jump massively. Riot, let's look at Riot. Bless you. Thank you, Collagen. Thank you, Tanisha. I appreciate you. Boom. How did you pick the support, Professor? Ricardo? Simple. Boom. Boom. This is how. And if I go back, I have more at that level. Boom. Sometimes you won't get the perfect level of support, meaning not every wick will be there. There'll be like a zone, but you'll be in the right radius, in the right range. Boom. There you go. There you go. All right, let's go back to BTC. Where is it at right now? Did it break that? Did something crazy happen? I remember the days where Nunez would jump on the chat and just say insane numbers. Bitcoin is at that price. Bitcoin is at that price. He would just say insanity. What do you got? Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting close. We're getting close, guys. We are getting close. Okay. Boom. Hey, Professor, what do you think about Wish chart? I'll look at Wish. China. That China, bro. We'll look at Wish. I'm assuming it's going to look ugly. I don't trade Wish, nor do I look at Wish, but I'm assuming it's going to look ugly because of the China situation. Oh, God damn. Oh, God damn. Oh, this doesn't look good at all. What a collapse. Where did it fall from? Dang. It still hasn't stopped falling. Wish has been falling from $32. I don't trust, Chinese stocks, man. What am I going to say? What am I going to say? And it had strong support at $8. That fell, that collapsed. This is just bad. Yo, I don't think I've ever even seen a negative $2 on trading. Oh, goddamn. I don't think I've ever witnessed that. I don't think I've ever witnessed that. Okay, so $4.61 is the new level of support if you're getting into Wish. There you go. That collapse is massive. That gap down, dang. But if you're bullish on China long term, eventually China's not going anywhere. So if you want me to give you some good news, China's not going anywhere. It's, the country's not going anywhere. So, boom. I would not get into this. Just me personally. It's just me personally. Okay, let's go. Wish Bhavna Patel came. Joe, Magamacho Bhavna. What's up, Professor? How are you? Julian, my man. What's up? What's up? Julian, jump on. Click the Zoom link. Jump on. Should I have to post it again? Do I have to post it again? I'll post it again for all the new people jumped in. By the way, guys, we're only at 41 likes. I don't think you want my mentor, Mark Columber, to come in. I don't think you want him to come next week. I said I got to get 50 likes for my man, Mark Columber, to jump on. Boom. I dropped the link again. All right, let's go. Literally just got home and ran in the house. What ticker is this, y'all? I don't know. There's a delay, Jen, but boom. There's a delay. It says it hits the same spot 2 to 3 times. Yep. Hey, Professor, can you look at NNDM? You got it. NNDM. Nano dimensions. What's this all about? Who's that?
Professor, real quick.
Yo, what's up, Matthew?
Oh, it's still me. NNDM, that's the next big swing from Mr. 428. I watch his Instagram stories, and he's been calling all these swings, and he said that's his next big one.
I love it. I love Blake. I was talking to him yesterday. Yo, I love Blake so much, bro. He retweeted one of my things, and I'm a tiny guy right now, right? I had only like 90 views. He retweeted it. I think it has like 3,000 views after he retweeted it. That man is just God bless his parents. God bless his parents. They raised an amazing boy. A 24 man at 24 years old. So nice to someone like me. I'm like a grandpa to him, meaning I'm old. Okay, what did he say? He's swinging this in his group chat?
Yeah, because I guess he's had big swings, right? And I don't really know which tickers, but they've done well, obviously. He shows all the results and stuff.
Well,
But
can I know why? Did he give a reason why?
Here, I'll pull up his Insta story right now, Mr. 428. Because he sent a screenshot of his Discord. He said, I like it at 550 for a swing trade. The stock has found an 8-month support level at 830, once trading as high as 1789.
Wait. 8,030? We're not anywhere near 8,030.
Wait, what?
You said it found a support. You said it found support at 8,030 cents?
No, it found an 8-month support level. 8
month. Oh, okay. I thought you said $8. Sorry.
Yeah, he said an 8-month support level at 530, once trading as high as 1789. Then he gave his 4 price targets.
What's his price target?
He gave his.
Wait, don't tell me. Don't tell me yet. Don't tell me yet, Matthew. Hold on.
Okay, bet.
I love Blake, man. That guy, oh my God. It's funny, when my old mentor got rid of me, I found so many new good guys that have my back and are so nice. It's amazing how God works. It's funny. I was thinking the other day, I have a weird feeling that whenever I'm back, I'm going to be back and verified. So, Matthew, let me ask you a question. What's better, to be on IG, being the regular professor, or being on it and back and verified while I was taken out for so long? What would be the best kind of redemption for me?
Well, obviously, if you get verified, because it's like a big middle finger to to
Not
everyone.
just okay, let's be positive.
Yeah.
Let's be positive.
I didn't say any curse words.
No, I know. But it will be to that person who took me out, yes. But really, it will elevate me to a whole nother level. Because I was talking to you.
Yeah, it shows your authentic. It shows that you're authentic and you're real. So why would someone fake and who's trying to like rob people or scam or whatever other words, like why would they be verified?
That immediately dissipates. That would make me to a level. And here's the beautiful part. All my influencer friends, the only ones I know that have it is like What's his name, man? Come on, brain. Andrew Aziz has it in the trading world, and that's it. So through my connections that I'm making right now with all the emails and stuff and everybody, when I do get it, I'm going to make sure my people, Mr. 428 gets his. I'm going to make sure Mr. Peter gets his. And all my other people that have high level of followers and are super influential, I'm going to make sure they get the blue check mark too. I'm going to figure it once I get it. That would be fire. A minor, I like that. I like that, Rob. Minor setback for a major comeback. I had that. I've been having those thoughts in my mind. I guess my mind is creating the reality that I want to be in. So when you create it, it can happen, right? God is good. Just pray for me, guys. Just pray for me. Hopefully, boom. But that'll be awesome. That'd be awesome. But what were we saying before that? Oh, so my price targets, and tell me if it matches with him. So guys, if you got into this, actually, a shout out to Blake, Mr. 428. I like this at this level. If you got into NNDM anywhere in the $5 range, again, swing trade, guys, swing trade. You could scalp trade it too. But when it comes to the price entry, it doesn't matter. That's why I'm being very specific with my words. If you get into this anywhere in the fives, you're fine. You have nothing to worry about, because if it falls, it'll fall right back to $5.23. So you're fine. You have to have conviction in your trade. So then after 5, it goes to 664. Once it breaks that, it goes to 930. After 930, it goes to 1160. After 1160, it goes to 1789. So if you're swinging this, you can take some profits here, take some profits here, take some profits here. You could do, for those that don't know, you could take 25% here, 25% here, and then 25% here. After this point, you're practically just running off of profits. Boom. 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 And Ashton too, 100%. I love Ashton. He was, because of people, if you don't know the story, Ashton came on my live, led me to Mr. Peters, because Mr. Peters was in my comment section. He was in my comment section. He started coming to my lives, like watching them, and then started looking at my stories. And I'm like, okay, let me reach out to him. And the rest is history. Boom. Matthew, anything else?
No, nothing else.
Okay.
But you want me to tell you the price targets?
Give me, baby boy.
It's 7, 8, and 9.
Got you. Wait, why so tight? Why did that's okay. That's really small. But why? Huh. Okay. That's like super tight. But I don't know. I know he's a swing trader. I just don't know what kind of swing trader he is. Yeah, there's a level at $7.97, $8. Yeah, but okay. Okay. But Blake, Mr. 428 is about to release a fire swing trading course. Massive. He's been working on it very aggressively. He was telling me he's about to release that soon. I wish I had my, IG so I could bring him on the show and promote it. But, but it's all good. It's all good. Thank you, Matthew. Let me go back to the questions. There you go. I just looked at NNDM. Julian, what do you think about WW? Think it's going on to start a stage 2? I got you, Julian. Yo, I love Julian. He's mad funny. Julian's a funny guy. He works hard as hell at Mercedes, man. I love hard workers. Okay, let's go. I feel like I've done this already. No, Julian, it's still on a stage 1, baby boy. It's still on a stage 1. Right here. I mapped this out in the past. So boom, still a stage 1. All right, let's keep going. Okay, I got it. Thank you. You're welcome, Ricardo. What do you think about the new ETF, BITO? B-I-T-O. Sorry if you already. Yeah, I discussed it, Greg. It's fine. I'd rather put my money into cryptocurrency itself than the crypto ETF. That's me personally. That's me personally. To each their own. To each their own. I'd rather own crypto than the stock. Boom. Space has a gap. I'll look at it. I saw an article about Doge possibly touching $1. Did anyone see that? Is this true? Steven, don't believe all the nonsense on the news, man. Could it eventually? Yeah, it was close. It was in the 70s, right? Doge was in the 70s. All right, let's look at space. You guys keep asking for space. I got you. Let's look at space. SPCE. I thought you guys wanted to talk about cryptocurrencies today. I wanted to focus on that, but it's okay. We can do this too. Damn. Damn, space has been falling. I haven't tracked this for a while. Wow. Whoa, this is just going tumbling. What's going on? Is it because of the canceled event or something? Let's see. Yeah, nobody better be buying in on this. This thing just keeps falling. Downtrend hasn't found a strong. So space hasn't found a good level of stage one, meaning a good level of support, and it's holding. As you can see, it keeps falling and falling. Where does it go? Let's see. We got 1427 coming up RSI. Yep. This looks about good. All right. The next level is 1702 for space. And then after that is 1427. The upside is massive. Look at that, $62. Woo! The upside is massive. So keep your eye on this. As you can see, it keeps collapsing. Me personally, I wouldn't buy in on this yet. You want to wait for the 17. This is what you want to wait for. This. Or this. Either or, depending on where it falls. Do not get a stock that keeps doing this. You want to wait for straight this. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Let me log in under my child's account. Tanisha, yeah. Jump on the Zoom. The link is right there, guys. Jump in. Just make sure you mute the show when you come in. Jump on. Let's go. Yes, and DM is on my list. Boom. If Blake, Mr. 428, is calling it out, it's good. That man is a genius. He's the best. Sandy, you love my brother. Thank you, Jorge. Kathy Woods heavy on this. Got you. Jen, I thought I was only a few minutes late, past 9. I guess y'all started at 8. Can't watch while on the highway. Don't watch while you're on the highway, Jen. That's dangerous. Why do you guys do this? I tell you all to stop doing that. Was on a downtrend. Had a good day today. Got it. You all have your back, Professor. Thank you. Blue check, fire. Yep. Verified. Boom. Blue check to the moon. God willing. It gives you a stamp of approval, 100%. Blue check for the most legit person on social media. Thank you, Tracy. Appreciate you. Get mine too while you're at it. Fred, you're not an influencer. I'm trying to get through all the questions. Kev, the incomer. What's up, Kev? Long time no see. Where you been? I've been thinking the same thing. You're going to come back stronger. Thank you, Kev. Please put it, guys, if all of you put it out. Oh my God, we have 48 likes. Oh, we have 48. Wait, can I like my own show? Yo, we have 49. I need one more to get Mark Palumba on the live show. I need one more like, and I'll even we got 50. All right, I'll message him live in front of all of your faces. I'll message Mark live right now. Mark. I'll message him right now. Hey, Mark. So I did a thing. I'm on live right now as we speak. Cryptocurrency all-time highs. And I told them, oh, someone took their like back. I said, if we get 50 likes, I'll have Mark Palumba come on. Yo, y'all are taking away your likes. So once that hits 50, Mark, come on the live. I'll send you the Zoom link. We'll do it through YouTube, baby boy. Let me know. All right, next Tuesday or next Friday. Whatever's good for you, you let me know. Take care. All right. Send. Y'all are taking your likes back. That's messed up. That's messed up. All right. I sent him the video. Ashton too. Yep. I answered that. I've been thinking the same thing. I said that already. Ashton and GP, 100%. You did it last Tuesday. What did I do last Tuesday? Yes, you did it last week. Thank you. Oh, I went over it. Yes. Thoughts on CLF? I'll look at that, Lena. Hold on. Crypto, let's check out coin. Okay, I'll look. Oh, finally, we're back on crypto. Let's go. They pushed out their flight. Oh my God, let me get these questions. Delayed flights on space. People, so you know what? We should have that conversation. Can some of you jump on? Let's talk about that. Why, that's a great opportunity in the market to make a lot of money. Somebody jump on. Let's talk about space and that event taking place. Come on. Jump on the live. Jump on the live. Let's go. The link is there. Do I have to post the link again? I'll post the link again. There you go. 16th, I'm all in. All right. Okay. If you can get into the 14th and 17th, woo, load up. Load up. You don't think this is a $100 stock? Mark my words. You don't think this is a $500 stock? Whoa. Wait till space tourism is a normal thing, just like flying airplanes everywhere on JetBlue. Keep that in mind. CME, Daryl. Hold on, Daryl. Let me just try to answer as many questions. They piled on real quick. Oh, it was for the additional likes. We need the mentor on our next live. Space flights got delayed. I think I answered. Okay, cool. 50 likes. Better yet, call him. I think right now he's in Dubai. I don't want to wake him up. He already has really bad sleep because he works so hard. When you manage millions and millions of dollars of cryptocurrency, the man sleeps just like me. My sleep is okay. His is really bad. When I met him in Colombia, we were talking about how both of our sleep is horrible, but his sleep is horrible for a different reason. When you manage millions of dollars of cryptocurrencies, good luck sleeping, and the market's 24/7. No, and he picks up when I call. I don't want to do that to him. That's not nice. My guy Daryl profiting from CME. Get on that live show and share. Daryl, get on the live show. Yo, Steven is telling you to jump on. Come on, jump on the live show. Let's talk about it. I took my thumb away just so I can be number 50. Yo, people, why are you taking your likes away? That's messed up. That's messed up. Yo, I got the best community there is, bro. I got the best community there is. Y'all are playing with the numbers. Taking them back. Putting them, taking them back. You guys are mad funny. You guys are mad funny. What's your thoughts for SNDL? And Bob, I'll look at that in a second. Hold on. Let me just get through these comments. There's 60 of us here now, Professor. I know, I love it. Welcome, everyone. Thank you. Because they all want to be number 50. I see that. Stop trying to be number 50, guys. Stop it. When space X IPO is going to be crazy. Huh? Space already had an IPO, Brad. People be playing with likes. Damn. They are playing with the like button. Guys, stop playing with the like button. Leave it. People be playing. Y'all with the like button toggling back and forth. Yo, y'all are too funny. Carlos, what's up? All right, let's look at coin. Let's go back to cryptocurrencies. Coin was Coinbase's IPO when it IPO'd, collapsed. I remember I was on live that day, the day before or something, and I warned people, please. And if you don't know, you can go on Danny P's IG, because that video still exists. Look for it. And I was on a live with him, begging people, please don't go into Coinbase IPO. Please. Stop it. Stop it. Yo, that comment's mad funny. Where'd he go? We are manipulating the life market. Evelyn, that's mad funny. Y'all manipulating the live market. Yo, you guys are like institutional traders now. They need to hear Mark's wisdom, advice, and words 100%, because all of Mark's wisdoms are wiped out as of now, and for now anyway. Even though it's still there, if you guys search it up, my account is still there. Like I have people screenshotting and sending it to me. Professor, it's still there. Because if it was bad, it would have been wiped out. I actually had one of my I have an insider that works inside of IG, and she went and looked at what happened, and she said it's a red flag, meaning she has a red flag, meaning suspicious, that there's no reason that I was supposed to be taken off, which means red flag, suspicious. Somebody was paid off to take me down. But I know that already because he called me and said he was going to do that. All right, let's go. Of course, for the past 4 days, Coinbase is popping the ticker. Crypto's booming, the ETF. So of course it is. How much money's flowing into Coinbase right now? Look at that. Look at that. If you would have got in the 200s, low 200s, you would have been sitting very pretty right about now in the low 200s. Look at that. You know one thing with ARK, the ETF, it's great. Yay, Kathy Woods, yay. My only thing is they're great, but I just don't understand why they bought so much coin IPO, the IPO at that price. I'm like, what are they doing? Like, who was giving that operation? Like, who made that happen? Because me and Kathy Woods both are have economic degrees. Like, what the freak? Why would you do that? See what I was talking about, guys? This is a good example of what I was trying to teach you earlier. When I was giving you the example with space, you want to wait for a stock to do this. This. Once it starts doing this, load up, enjoy, jump on. And then now it took off. It broke to 261, it took off. So coin is looking nice. Is anybody in coin? Give me a thumbs up if you're in coin. We got 52 likes and one down. Damn, bro. The person that gave me the down, it's all good. You can't please everybody. You can't please everybody. You can't please everybody. It's all good. Okay, let's go. Go Dodgers. I know nothing about sports. Can't comment. Hitting the stop loss, taking profits. Y'all be like, likes, psych. Steve, Daryl is not getting on the live. He never does. He's busy with kids. Daryl wants to get on. He told me he wanted to a long time ago, but his kids. I understand. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. What's up, Greta? How you doing? Damn, I can't believe someone gave the thumbs down. Usually my community is the best. I never see those. But it's all good. It's all good. I don't understand it either. On the coin, maybe they're hyping up their stock. You know for what? No, I understand why Jorge coin is up. I understand completely. The crypto bullish Coinbase. People are buying crypto like it's bananas. Boom, 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 boom. People, give me more. Anybody else want to jump? Nobody else wants to jump on. Nobody else wants to jump on the live, guys. I'm gonna send the link again. Somebody. I like when I talk to you guys about the crypto coin or anything you're looking at. Talk to me. Becky's not a fan of Coinbase. What's up, Becky? He's not a fan of Coinbase. You guys notice how we got 57 likes and the watch numbers was little jumping? The algorithm was working in our favor tonight. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. So boom. Riot. Oh, let's look at Riot and Mara. 100%. The thumbs down is the IG hacker. That's funny. That's funny. Dislikes, in my opinion, are 100% fake bots to me. They will be like dislike on puppy videos. Who does that? Now, Jorge, I don't think there's bots on me. I'm not that big. Those bots come when there's hundreds of thousands watching, tens of thousands watching. That one person is who knows who that is. My thing is, if you don't like something, why are you watching? That's my only logic. Guys, let's look at Mara and Riot. Yes, crypto connected coins. Let's do Mara. Let's do Riot. Yo, can someone message Manny in the group chat and tell him and send him the link to the Zoom privately or publicly? Manny, or just send Manny the YouTube link. So, because I know Manny, from what I remember, talks a lot about Mara or Riot. So if anyone watching is Manny's group chat, I don't know who's in it, but if anybody watching, I want Manny to jump on for like 2 minutes. If he can jump on for 2 minutes. If he can. Tell Manny to jump on for 2 minutes on Zoom. I want to talk about Mara and Riot, the correlation, the price differences. So someone message Manny, please, if you can. I have his number. But I don't know if he's active on the group chat. Let me see. Okay. Where am I going? Go over there. Go over here. See, if we were IG, I would just tag him and he would jump on. Life that was easier for us back then, I swear to God. Damn it. Is it Manuel or Manny? What does he have himself saved as? Sacre Blue. How do I find him? I don't know. Manuel? Or Manny? Damn. I don't know how to find him. I don't know what he's saved under. Guys, can someone just message him for me and send him the link to the YouTube, and then he'll get the link to the Zoom. Boom. All right, let's look at it. Mara and Riot. Let's look at it. Woo! I love it. All right, Mara has taken off. Of course it did. Once it broke through the 447, rocket ship to the moon. Rocket ship to the moon. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. It's headed to $57. That's the next level of resistance, everybody. $57 right there. That's going to hit very close. Most definitely. People, I want you to keep this in mind. This is an example I'm going to give you. The next time crypto collapses, does the massive pullbacks, whatever you want to call it, load up on Mara and Riot. Load up like there's no tomorrow. What an easy swing position right there. Like, think about that. Like, think about that. Such easy money. Imagine if you were in the last collapse. Where did it go to? It went to over here. $20. Imagine if you were in this in $20. God damn. All right. Next one. Oh, I already typed it in. We got Riot. Riot launch. What the hell? What the hell? Why are you not moving? What's going on here? Manny can break this down. This is his ticker. From what I remember, maybe I'm wrong, but from what I remember hearing, Manny talks a lot about Riot and Mara. Wow. Guys, you're sitting on, again, I'm going to say the date again, bro. It's October 19, 2021. Riot is $30.83. This bad boy, it's going to go to 40. It's going to go to 40. Becky, I asked him in the Discord. Thank you, Becky. I appreciate you. Thank you. There you go. How many of you, give me a thumbs up if you're in Riot right now. Like, why are you not in Riot? What? People, if you know technical analysis, if you got in the $20 range, God bless you. This is going to $40 without a doubt. Because look, stage one. It's on a stage one. This is fire. Like, what the freak? God damn. All right, let me answer some questions. Let me answer some questions. Answer. Let's go. Where am I? Okay, there you go. Misfit. What's up, Misfit? Can you check Safe Moon? I got you. Ask me again if I don't. But let me just try to knock out as many comments as I can. Okay, but just ask me again. I got you. I feel like I'd rather own the crypto than the exchange. That's what I said, Jorge. 100%. Why the hell am I buying Coinbase stock? Why am I buying ETF of crypto when I can get the real thing in my hands? Like, I physically own. I don't own any Bitcoin anymore, but I have a physical Ethereum coin, and I freaking own the digital Ethereum. I'd rather have this than a stock of it. See what I'm saying? Evelyn, can you look at you thinking of making this my stock? Evelyn, ask me again. Ask me again. Let me just try to knock out these comments. I got a 31 call. BTBT. Okay. I got a $31 call for Friday. Nice. Tesla. I'll look at it. Hold on. Let me try to knock out these comments. Thank you for your advice on VST. I got out when it broke 1960. Oh, snap, Tracy. Nice. Nice. Were you in the profits on that trade? Jen, the dislike of the troll. It's all good. Professor, please look at BTBT. I got you guys. Hold on. Let me knock out these comments. Bryce, what's up? Riot waiting for me. Bro, get into Riot. It's cheap right now. For $30, you can't go wrong with $30. It's headed to $40.80. My suggestion is if you're in it, or if you're going to get in it, you have a $10 move to the upside. And if it fails on you, $23, $23.93 to be exact, is your level of support right there. Keep that in mind. Burke, what's up, Burke? Long time no see. How you been? Professor, I've been missing your lives, man. Where you been? I've been here, my brother. I've been here. What's up with the IG? It got taken down temporarily. Tracy, I'm in heavy, 26 support. Nice. Manuel, what's up, baby boy? Manny, hit the button. Jump on the live. Manny, jump on the live on Zoom here. I'll send Manny the link. Manny, if you're free, 2 minutes. Just come in for 2 minutes, and then you can leave. I'm not going to make you stay long. Jump in for 2 minutes. Talk to me. I want to talk about Mara and Riot for 2 minutes, Manny, and then you can go. No pressure. No pressure. Thank you for coming on, by the way. You're the best. I mean, on the live. I mean the comment section. You know what I mean. Coin is a legit company. No, I know Coin is a legit company. I never said it wasn't a legit company. But I'd rather have the crypto itself, not the stock. But it is a legit company. I love Coin. Coinbase is fine. What do you mean you don't own BTC at all? Why? Because, Rob, I used to. I moved everything to Ethereum. I just moved everything to Ethereum. I'm heavy Ethereum. Boom. That's all. It's cheaper. BTC is big homie. Yes, it is. Manny is here. Yes, he is. Professor, please start. I will. Hold on. He's here. Professor, my baby mama has a crush on you. Okay, Rodrigo. Take it easy. Let's keep it professional. Manny, he wants you to join. Thank you, Fred. Hopefully by Friday. Yeah, I was in the profits on VST. Entry was 17. Nice, Tracy. Nice. I was in Mara. Nice. Professor, you asked me. Yeah, Manny, I want to talk about Mara and Riot for 2 minutes. Anna Banana. What's up, Anna? Hey, Professor, wanted to come on and see. I still need to secure my for November. I just finalized my work schedule. Anna, message me on Telegram. Go to my website. I am moving the December. Hold on. Let me send you the website. Hold on. Anna, you disappeared. Here. Anna, there's the website. Go there. Click on the Telegram, the little blue airplane. DM me there. I'm moving the November people to December. We'll talk about it. Just message. We'll talk about it after the live. You disappeared. I was waiting for you. Manny hit the Zoom. Manny in the house. Yep. Manny, we need a price for Riot. I'm trying to get on. Click the link, Manny. It takes you to Zoom. Tell me what the issue is. What are you having? Carlos is here. I see Carlos waiting. He's watching this live from the Zoom. Just click the link. And you're going to come right on, Manny. Boom. All right, guys. Thank you. I will. You're welcome. Professor going to take her. Take it easy. CD check tip ranks. All right, guys. Give me your tickers now. Give me your tickers. Now that I finished answering the question, before Manny comes on, I'll answer some. Let's go. Give me the tickers that you guys wanted me to look at. The delay on this is so bad. Delay on this is so bad. I love it. 58 likes. Thank you, everybody. Let me go back. Let me try to find the ticker that he's BTBT. There we go. All right. Everyone kept saying BTBT. Oh, hello? I think that's Manny's. Manny's in the building.
What's going on, man?
Baby boy, yo, your quality is fire. What kind of camera are you using?
My same iPhone. My phone.
Oh, damn, it looks better than when you used to come on IG. Your quality was horrible on IG, baby boy.
I'm going to blame IG then.
Yo, your quality is crisp.
Yeah?
Yeah. God damn, your quality is crisp. So, Manny, first of all, thank you for coming on. Long time no see. Berkey, what's up? Berkey, come back later. Hold on, Berkey. Shut your video off. Come back later. Manny, long time no see. How you been? Wait, before you start, because not everyone might know who you are, because I have a lot of new people from YouTube and Twitter. Are you on YouTube and Twitter yet?
I've been on Twitter, but I don't really post anything on Twitter. I just use it to follow news and stuff to help me trade.
Manny, get active. What did I tell you? He said he was going to do to.
Yeah,
Manny, last time we spoke, I told you get active. Did you make a YouTube?
No.
Manny, listen to
I
me.
will. I know. I see Jet Setting Trader no longer available either. So
Baby boy, I warned you guys. The minute he called me last month, I made the Twitter right after he called me during my seminar. And then I'm like, okay, cool. I called you guys. I warned you guys. I warned everybody. Yeah. I made the Twitter that week because I take his threats very seriously because I know he does what he says. So Manny, make the Twitter, move your people over, make the YouTube, start moving people over. It could, God forbid, but take his threats seriously. It could happen any day. What's taking you so long?
I will, because he doesn't faze me. He could do whatever he wants, whatever it is.
Manny, I know, but you can lose all that. The followers, baby boy, I lost so many because I forgot to push the YouTube. I forgot to push the Twitter because I got too complacent.
I know, and you were maneuvering everything over to Twitter too. I mean, to YouTube, and then you kind of went back to IG.
Correct, and that was the biggest mistake because I need a second TV. I need to buy another one because you guys are on a big TV here. There's a smart board here. And I was missing out on comments from YouTube comments, IG comments. I'm like, you know what? I'll just wait to buy it. I'll wait for the 8K to come out, put an 8K in my man cave and take that 4K out of the man cave and put it here. But I made a big mistake not maneuvering both, but it is what it is. But point being, please get a YouTube and start moving people over for the sake of your followers, Manny.
I will.
All right, thank you. I know he doesn't faze you. He don't faze me either, but you don't want to lose what you've created, you know?
That's true. It's true.
That's all. It's a safety net. He can't touch me here. I'm safe here. This is my safe space.
There you go.
All right. So, guys, this is Manuel Santiago. What's your IG, Manny? Manuel Official?
Yeah, Manuel S Official.
Boom. Go follow him on IG. Can people post his IG in the comment box, please? Manny, tell him about yourself because you're your first time coming here. And I told him if I get 50 likes, I'll get Mark Columba to come on because he hasn't come on here. So I messaged Mark to come on maybe next week, but I know he's busy in Dubai right now. So boom, go.
Yeah, so just real quick, Manuel, been trading for about 11 years now. Started trading when I started trading, I learned the hard way, just trying to buy penny stocks and hold them forever and losing money the hard way. Lost a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of effort. And then I started learning, researching, studying. And then started swing trading about maybe 6 years ago, right? So start getting into more swing trading. And then about 4 years ago, started getting into options. So now what my strategy is, day trade and scalp, mainly blue chip, growth play options daily. I'll take those profits that from those scalps and day trades, and then I'll reinvest those back into my swing plays or long-term investments that's completely oversold, right? And then rinse, repeat, and go with the different market cycles. So that's technically what my strategy is. What I do also is I teach just like you do, mainly teaching options or even the charting seminars. But definitely you have your seminars, you have your charting course, which is free online. So definitely recommend people to take that. Right. And then, but besides that, just trying to teach people options. I also have the Discord, right? Freedom Traders. We are growing daily. People's accounts been growing tremendously. We had one guy post his account the month of October for the last couple of weeks.
What you're about to tell me, is it Halil?
No.
Okay.
This is a newer trader who's only been in there for about maybe a month. So just in October alone, his account grew almost 300%.
Woo!
Right. So he
Nice.
day trades and scalps options. So
of course, options. Of course, that's why. Of course.
Yeah, but either way, no matter what your account size is, and to get triple digit returns of your account size, not just return on investment, but your overall account size, right?
Oh,
so
the whole thing.
Yeah. So
Woo!
If he started with 1,000, then now he's up to 3,000 or whatever. But I know he got a little bit more money than that. So I don't know exactly his account size. I don't care. I don't really care what his account size is. I'm just glad that he's finding consistent returns, right? long as he's finding the strategy that's working consistently for him. But that's basically what I do. I also have lives on IG on Thursdays at 7 p.m. Pacific time and Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time, where on Sundays I talk about weekly earnings.
Start simulcasting. Start simulcasting, baby boy. I don't want you to fall into my trap before bringing over. Start doing it, man.
All right. Yeah, definitely. I have to look into it.
It's not hard to do. Mr. Peters does it. I watch him live on YouTube. I watch his lives on YouTube still. You know. Thank God he simulcasts, because I know he goes live on YouTube. So I watch him. I miss out on everybody else who doesn't on IG, but at least I got the YouTube. So go tell them what you talk about, man. Tell them about what you do on live, your IG live.
No, yeah. So on Sundays I go over like a weekly earnings report, right? So all the stocks that's coming up this upcoming week, I go over those stocks, and the reason why I go over them is because you could expect some type of volatility. And when you're trading options, you want volatility, you want that price action, you want the volume and trade on the right side of volatility, so you could get a higher return. So I basically go over that on Thursdays. Either I do a class, Trader Mindset. Last week I jumped on with Mr. Peters. So
how was it? I know you told me you were
awesome.
going to go on it. How long was it? Did anybody else come on? Like, give me the story. Just the main idea.
No, yeah. So it was mainly just a real introduction, right? Because we sent each other messages, maybe about 10 messages back and forth, just to confirm and make sure everything's good. But besides that was the first time really talking to him, right? Nice. So just introduction. Who are we? What do we do? What do we offer on both sides? And then just talking about stocks and market rotations and sectors, and it was just awesome. It was a great conversation.
He's your first big influencer, right?
Yeah. Besides you.
Stop. Stop it. I'm regular, but congratulations. I know that's a phenomenal feeling, because I've interviewed almost all of them. I only had, actually, right before I got taken out, I was almost done with the biggest names. The only ones that would have been left would have been Tim Sykes. What's that guy's name? Something Rodriguez. Forgot his name. Oh, Ricky, Gutierrez. I think those were the only two left. Everybody else I have booked, locked, and ready to come on the show, and I would have been done with influencers. So I know that would have been a beautiful feeling for you for your first one. That's nice.
Yeah. So, then just talking about the military and discipline and different things like that. But yeah, it was good.
How long was it?
About 2 hours long.
Nice.
Almost 2 hours. There was a couple of people that requested, but I didn't accept the request because, like I said, it was just our first conversation, really just more of an introduction. So probably the next time.
Influencers?
Tell you the truth, I didn't even click on it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I didn't even search to see who it was.
So now you can get to Ashton, because I found Mr. Peters through Ashton. Now you get Mr. Peters, and then you get Ashton. That's how the connection world works.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll see. I mean, like I said, the whole social media world is still kind of new to me. I'm always been more of a private person. But I definitely like the feeling of teaching, helping people out. Like I always said, is I wish I had the communities and all the classes and all the different influencers out there when I started trading, because it would have saved me a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of heartache, and a lot of money, right? In the long run. So
it's funny you said that. Matthew was on earlier, the younger Matthew, and he brought up this coin. He's in XLM, REN, all these coins. And I was telling Matthew, when I was your age, Bitcoin was pennies. I said, if it was reversed, the world, my God, if I had someone like me or you, Manny, when we were that age, I can't even imagine where we would be. Our life would be, for me, I don't want that life. I'm happy being the professor. I'm happy teaching, because if I had that kind of money at Matthew's age, I don't think I would have been where I am today. I don't think I would have been a teacher. I like my life. But point being, my God, the lives that could have been changed. But hey, that's why we both have a young, I don't know how young yours is, but mine goes to like 8 years old. That's why I don't curse on my shows. It's crazy, these little kids, what they're learning. It's sick.
Yeah, it's awesome. And it's funny because Well, obviously, you know, I got 4 kids. So my second oldest, 17-year-old, him and his friend came in on this weekend because he brought his friend who just turned 18 and said he wants to learn. So this weekend I was there teaching them, right?
Nice.
Just some of the basics. Really just starting to tell them just the consistency over time will get them where they want to be. So
Boom, boom. There you go. When are you releasing the course? What's the update on that?
So it was funny. I was just recording some more videos last night.
Nice.
I've been kind of busy. I hate the videos. I hate seeing myself. It's hard to see myself and watching myself
Why?
and without.
Why?
I don't know. Just because I don't know. I just right. They're always critiquing myself. So
No, but
I always
Manny-
delete and repeat and or try to edit and so forth. So
Baby boy, I used to go live butt naked on the couch. Some of my course videos are me butt naked on the couch. What are you talking about? It's not about me or you. It's about them. Don't even look at yourself. I know people might not believe this, but it's true. I hate going on camera and video. I was just talking to Halil maybe 3 hours ago. We were talking. He goes, I hate the camera. I said, bro, you think I do? This is the only way I can teach. There's no other way. You don't remember this, but there was a meeting one time with somebody, and this person goes, Professor, if you're going to make videos, you have to put your face in it. I'm going, bro, I don't want to. He's like, you have to. And he's like, listen, if you want to get yourself out there, put your face on it. I said, all right, bro, I'll do it for you. And I did it for that person, but I did not originally want to. I like my quiet life. I don't want, if you notice, I don't post too much on my personal. My page is about learning. That's it. Don't even think about that, Manny. Just create content.
oh yeah, I don't post nothing. I got a separate Instagram for my personal and Facebook for my personal stuff. So, but yeah, I do that. So yeah, I mean, it's coming along. I'm trying to finish it up here within the next week or two. So we'll see how that goes. Then I'll definitely reach out and see for some assistance.
Done. Yeah, don't talk about it. Don't talk about it. But yeah. I got you. Just don't talk about that stuff. All right, let's make it happen. All right, Manny. So the reason why I told you to come on is from what and correct me, maybe I'm wrong, but from my memory, you talk a lot about Mara and I didn't even say how we met. Guys, me and Manny met in a group chat. I'm not going to say the name of the group chat, but we met in that group chat. But in my early days, I used to get attacked, and Manny was, Manny used to comment. No, Manny never attacked me. I'm just saying, Manny was there in the group chat. He became a top trader in this group chat. I was also a top trader. Boom, boom, boom. The rest is history. So Manny, correct me if I'm wrong. You talk a lot about Riot and Mara, correct?
Yeah, I've been talking about them for over a year.
Yeah,
right?
I
So
figured. My photographic memories. I remember in the old days in that chat, your name Mara Riot. Your name, because I was back memory thinking. That's why I'm like, yo guys, can someone go call Manny? Because I went through my phone. I don't know if you're Manuel Santiago or Manny or Manuel. So I'm like, I'm live right now. I can't try to go through all that. So I'm like, just tell someone to go find you. So talk to me about Mara and Riot. They follow cryptocurrencies. When crypto falls, Mara and Riot fall, correct?
Yes. Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
so they're mining companies, right? They're two of the bigger mining companies. They mine both mainly Bitcoin, but Riot also mines Ethereum as well. So they mine them. I started following both of them around $2. I still have a cost basis of Mara around 263 is my cost basis. Riot, I have sold all of that.
You're not buying any more Mara?
So I went to go. No, actually, I'm just scalping options on them. I have some shares, and I'm just gonna let that ride. But the thing about it is, when I was buying and selling, I could still buy and sell different lots, right? So what that is I could still buy and sell So if I buy at $30 and then I sell at 50, I'll sell the ones that I bought at 30. It's still a return, right? To keep my original cost basis low and keep that low. So this way, I could just not have to worry about that tax until later on, right? So
Gotcha.
have that be a long-term capital gains tax.
Got you. Okay, cool. Manny, so let's talk right now. I got Riot on the board. Riot is a stage 1.
Yep.
Why the hell? I just pulled it up for the first time. I don't trade Riot or Mara. I don't look at it. But tonight's conversation is about crypto because Bitcoin's about to break its resistance level. why the hell is Mara not moving? What? Sorry, Mara is moving. Riot is not moving. Talk to me, Manny. What's going on?
So the thing about Riot is they've been having a couple offerings, right? So with the offerings and their price in their offerings has been keeping it down. So once those offerings end, because Mara and Riot had the same, basically the same float size, right? They're both shorted right now, like at 19-20%. So the short float is also pretty high. But yet Mara is like $30, $23 more expensive, right? So once those offerings end, there's no reason why Riot shouldn't go up and be as high as Mara, especially because when you look at the all-time highs of them, Mara all-time high was around 57 and Riot actually hit 82 in the extended hour periods, even though it says 80, right? Or 78. It actually hit 82 in the extended hour periods. So that actually usually rises and goes up faster than Mara does. So considering that it's so low right now, I even brought up this on Sunday on my live on IG, like you should be accumulating shares right now like crazy. And
which one, Mara or Riot more? I'm assuming Riot.
Right. Just because the risk to reward ratio, right? You look at the risk to reward, Mara is almost right there at its all-time high, right?
Yes.
It's at $53. Its all-time high is 57, and it hit that mark when Bitcoin was at 64,000, just like it's almost at right now. So, but yet you look at Riot, right? It's at $30 this weekend. When I talked about it, is at 25. $26, and its all-time high, like I said, is 82. So that risk to reward ratio is much higher when you're talking about risk management, trader psychology, and trading within your scope. You don't want to buy when it's by its all-time high and hold it. You want to buy something when it's down low, just like you have in your board, which you wrote in the stage one, right? You want to buy in that stage one accumulation prices already at its all-time peak or all-time high when it's about to go to a stage three.
Correct. People, if you're listening, I'll break it down what Manny said again. I'm looking at Mara daily chart. It's $53.91 right now. Its all-time high, if you can't see, I'll say the numbers, guys. It's $57.75. I'm gonna hit it any day now. That's number one, because crypto market is super bullish right now. Look what's about to happen. And for those of you that follow my strategy of the knock, boom, you got the knock here. There's going to be another knock here any day now. My prediction is it's going to hit again. This is my prediction. There's no guarantee. It could break through, but my knock, boom, again, just so we're clear, it is October 19th. It's 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This Mara is going to hit 57.75, do a pullback, and then probably break on the third, boom, the knock. So if you don't know what that is, people watching, it's hit it once, knock. It's going to hit it again, pull back, and then blast off. Why would you want to get in here when you can, as Manny said, and by the way, I agree 100%. That's what I was saying before you came on, Manny. I'm like, why in the name of God would you not get in? It's a stage one. If you believe in cryptocurrencies, again, I freaking love cryptocurrencies, man. Ethereum in my hand. I got a Bitcoin right here. And everyone knows I got a fortune in Ethereum. So it's on a stage one. It was at what was the price, Manny, on your Sunday live? You said 20 what?
It was like at 26.
$26. It's at 30 right now. How much do you people want to bet when in the future, if you're watching this live from future people, it's already at 40, and then next it's going to 79.50. This is how the market works. But again, you have to have conviction. You have to understand support and resistance level. You have to understand all of that. There's nothing stopping this from going back up to 79.80. How much you want to bet, Manny? And I know Manny, you're going to agree that these will be hundreds of dollars worth of stock in a few years. Agree or disagree, Manny?
Oh yeah, I definitely disagree. That's why like when my Mara that I'm holding, I'm 2,000% gains, right? Just in that one. So I'm not even touching that. That's like my long-term hold. Because as long as you believe in Bitcoin and you think Bitcoin is going to continue riding up, why would I get rid of it, right? So that's just on lock and hold. It's not going nowhere. Same thing with Ethereum. Riot could be in the same aspect, right? As long as this offering ends and people are stopped shorting it, it's going to continue riding up. Right?
People stop shorting it.
Soon as these shorts have to start covering, it's going to be running.
Manny, why, who in their mind wants to short this? I know there's a lot of people, Mark was telling me, that want the destruction of cryptocurrency. I remember last time I spoke to him, he goes, Professor, you don't even know how many people are against crypto. He goes, it's crazy what I see in my world, because he's in a different world than I am. And I'm like, why? And he goes,
because they can't, because they can't make money off of it, right? So once they actually try to regulate it, then the countries could make money off it, and then they'll actually let it be regulated and they let it be legalized, right? Or a full takeover. But until they find a way to actually monetize off of it, that's why they want to hold it down, right? I mean, but the more and more people are getting into it, that's why they started with the ETF today, right? The futures ETF. BITO, BITO was the actual ticker.
Look at it. What the hell? Yeah, let's look at it.
Yeah, it actually jumped up to 42, pulled all the way back to 38, and then ran back up to $42, $43 again. BITO.
Let's go to the boom. 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 What do you think, Manny? So my thing is, this is me personally, people watching, because I know somebody earlier took it the wrong way what I said. I rather own the physical coin digitally than this dish. What do you say, Manny? What do you think?
So twofold, right? So definitely invest and buy the actual physical coins, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, whatever it is that you believe in that, long as you do your own research, right? But definitely those three are what I'm looking at. Besides that, if you don't want to go that route, just because it's not regulated, because you don't trust the countries to really not, just like India, right? They canceled crypto or made it illegal, right? So if you think US is going to do that, or whatever country you're in is going to do that, then you look for the other route. Look for the mining companies. Look for the ETFs that have those holdings to continue to monetize off it and make money from it, right? So,
boom. Okay.
But
cool.
So, am I on? Can they see me on YouTube or just my voice?
No, Manny, I got you. Listen, I want you to see the comments too. Go on your cell phone or your computer. I don't know what you're watching me through. You said your phone, right?
Yeah.
Go on your computer right now and type in Day Trade Professor on YouTube.
No. The reason why I was asking is because I want to actually kind of bring up Riot chart.
Yeah, I'll bring it up.
Yeah, so bring it up. And then if you actually put in the RSI and MACD as well, and then I want to show you these trend lines.
Manny, daily chart?
Yeah, daily chart.
Okay, done. There's your RSI. There is your MACD. All right, talk to me, Manny.
All right, done. So zoom out a little bit to its all-time, when it got to its all-time high.
Manny,
now,
they'll be able to see it better. Can you do me a favor? Can you, if you shut off your video, my screen becomes the biggest screen so they can see the chart better.
All right,
or just a little bit, whatever you're gonna say, so they can see what you're gonna say.
Is that there?
All right.
Is that better?
Well, perfect. There you are.
All
right, now the chart. Go ahead.
So if you draw a trend line from the all-time high of Riot, right, and then draw that downward trend to where that other peak was around $40.
I got you, Manny.
Yep. And you see that it just broke it basically yesterday and today.
Yep.
Right. Now look at now draw that same trend line from the MACD and RSI at those peaks on that same time frame when it was high, and then you see that those also had just broke.
100%.
Right. So this whole time it was creating bearish divergence, but now that is broke those trends, now we're looking at more of a bullish divergence, right? So what that is, for those that don't understand what that lets you know when a reversal is coming into play.
Correct. Simplify it further, Manny. When you say reversal, let them know what that means. What's about to happen here?
Yeah, so if you notice the downtrend, every time it actually broke a downtrend, it actually went right back up and tested that $40, right? So now that $40 is basically the strong resistance. So now that it's breaking that downward trend line, I'm looking forward to actually run right back up to $39, $40, where that next resistance point is. And then once it breaks over there, then you're actually looking for a full stage 2 breakout.
Boom.
Right? Because the RSI is now gaining strength and the MACD is gaining momentum, right? In all aspects of those, because it broke a long-term downtrend strength. So it's gaining strength, it's gaining momentum, and now it's having the price action that's gaining over the actual downtrend.
Correct. It's moving very nicely, guys. As you can see, it has a lot of room to go all the way to 70. Again, you know, everyone, what I call this resistance. It has a lot of room to get there. MACD, let's pull that up. It's looking very nice. Looking very nice. Listen, I am not trading this, nor am I in it. But for those people that do trade stocks or swing trade stocks with this price range, the hell are you even thinking about? This is like a dead obvious thing right now. As the topic says, the title of today's live, cryptocurrency, all-time highs. Could you take profits? Let's talk about it. This is where it is. This is where it is. Anything else, Manny, to share? I'll let you go. I appreciate your time. I just wanted you to come on and talk about this. No pressure.
Yep. The biggest thing also is right behind your.
You can turn your video on.
Oh, the biggest thing is look at that volume for the past 3 days. Look how much is doubled basically in the previous month or two, right? So that volume, that's letting you know that it's increasing in volume. So that's why as soon as I seen that on Friday, that big spike on Friday, which is that first spike in volume, that's letting you know that it's gaining some strength, gaining some momentum. There's buyers coming in, right? And yet the price is still low. So perfect opportunity to start getting in for a swing trade.
Boom. Boom, boom. People, again, this is recorded. You can go back and look at it. Again, I wish my other, no, they're saved. If you go look at my older videos, when I told you about MRO and the oil and where it's headed, we're doing the same thing with the cryptocurrencies. You know, I'm an oil trader. We also talked about where cryptocurrency is going. This is just an obvious fact. Again, look at the charts, break it down. Imagine if for those that don't have enough money and you're trading shares, God bless you. You know, it's fine. But if you want to take it up a notch, man, he got the options. He teaches it. He breaks it down. I don't do options. I don't understand options. To me, it's like another language with that chart with all the numbers changing and fluctuating. You know, I'm set in my ways where I know what I'm good at. I stick to what I'm good at. But if you want to make even more and jump into the options world, boom. But again, remember, if you don't know how to trade shares, you have no idea, don't go to options. Manny, agree or disagree?
Yeah, I completely agree. That's why, if you learn what I said from the beginning of when I introduced myself, I learned the hard way, lost a lot of money, went long-term investing, swing trading, day trading, and then options, right? So there's an evolution in that process, because if you can't time your entries and your exits, options is going to be that much more difficult for you.
Boom. Thank you, Manny. Any final thoughts?
Nope. I appreciate you having me on. And of course, if you have any questions or I need any more, anybody else has any more questions, just feel free to hit me up. I'm always available. My next option seminar is on November 13th, and I'm actually running a discount right now for 33% off. So if anybody's interested, send me a message.
Boom. And of course, Manny, I appreciate you coming on as always. Thank you for jumping on so fast. You're the best. Because I know you know about this because I remember you talking about it so much. It's like when people hit me up about oil, I'm always talking about oil. I'm like, yeah, I got you. So I appreciate you, Manny.
Yeah, of course. Thank you. Thank you for having me. Yeah, Riot, I bought in around $4 and sold around 70.
Nice.
So I've been trading those for a while.
Wait, so you did sell your $4 thing at 7. You sold it.
Yeah, I got rid of all of the Riot, but I kept Mara.
Oh, why are you keeping it?
I don't know. It was just something like I did my research originally for Mara. So And then I forgot what it was that made me want to get rid of all of my Riot. But there was some type of news or some bad publicity. So I was like, all right, I'll just sell it. I made 2,000%, so I'll move on and get to the next one.
But Manny, there has to be more reason that you didn't sell at 50 in the 50s. There has to be something deeper than unless you don't want to share.
So I did, right? So for Mara, I was buying and selling along the process.
Gotcha.
Right. So, but my initial bunch that I bought, right? My initial purchase is what I kept.
No, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm saying. Why did you not sell the initial? Is there a reason you didn't sell at 57? Or in the 50s?
I did sell some.
No, but I'm saying, why didn't you sell all of it? I'm asking. All of it.
Well, because I still believe that Bitcoin is not done with this run.
So is there a specific number in your brain that you want to sell at?
Triple digits.
I got you.
Yeah,
Okay.
triple digits.
Okay. I got you. I got you 100%. No, I know. I was trading Moderna at 40, and look where Moderna went to. So
yeah.
I feel you. Because I asked the same question to people that were holding Moderna. When are you selling? When it hits 100, Professor. I said, okay, cool. Sounds good.
Yeah, because because off the same scope, right? And back in 2017, when when Bitcoin hit 20,000, Mara hit $40. So if we're going off those same ratios, then Mara should have hit 120 when it actually hit 60. So we didn't hit there, but I do think it's actually going to hit 100 if Bitcoin gets back up to 75,000 to 100,000.
Gotcha. Well, and we all know it's going there. So boom on that one.
Yeah.
Boom on that one. Again, when this live is watched years from now in the future, guys, if you remember, I know Manny remembers when I first started going live and Mark Palumbo used to come on my live. I remember it. The video is gone right now, but when he first used to come on my live, Bitcoin was 12,000. Ethereum was a couple of hundred, and we were telling y'all to load up.
Yeah.
So, boom.
Yep. Yeah, I remember I told my son to buy Ethereum at $184. He didn't listen. He finally bought it at 500, which is still very good right now, right? If you take it from the aspect, but he could have had almost 3 times as many shares or as many coins, right? So
correct.
It is what it is.
Correct. As long as we get it eventually.
Yeah. Now just do some dollar cost averaging.
Boom. I had people buying Ethereum just now. I'm like, what are you doing? And they say, because I got the mess, and they say to me, well, I know what you're going to say. I know. But I just couldn't do it when you were telling me it was going down. I said, I understand. It's human beings. It's like, you're on a burning plane and the plane is crashing. You're not going to get on it. But, that's a bad example. Screw that burning plane example. Point is, I trust the cryptocurrencies. I trust my Ethereum.
So the thing about it is, everybody should know who Warren Buffett is, especially if you're investing, right? Warren Buffett always says, he has a quote that, sell when everybody is hopeful, right? And you buy when everybody's fearful, right? So when everybody's fearful, you get greedy. When everybody is happy, that's when, you get fearful, right? So that's simple, right? When everybody's selling off, that's when you buy. When everybody starts buying it, that's when you sell. So you buy into strength and you buy into weakness and you sell into strength.
Boom. I agree 100%. And that's what you guys have to do. Literally, let me go back to Riot. If you have to write that down next to your computer screen, people, what are you doing, Storm? Write the hell that down, because mark my words, it's going to 40, and then after 40 to the moon. Thank you, Manny. I appreciate you coming on. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too. I'll see you.
All right.
All righty, people. Let's keep the fun going. What time is it? It's only 10:15. Oh, it's early. We've only been live for 2 hours. All right, let's knock out some of these comments. Tesla. Let me tell you something right now. Tesla's going to be booming when the earnings come out. Oh, and Manny's gone, but Manny knows when the earnings are coming out. Tesla will be booming because people, what did Tesla buy? Lots of when it was cheap. Bitcoin. Elon bought a fortune worth of it with Tesla. Fortune. So and it's already more than doubled what Elon paid. So their earnings are gonna be explosive. Tesla is gonna go bananas. Mark my words. When are we doing a crypto cruise in Tulum with Mark? Becky, who the hell is talking about that? When did that happen? We can make it happen, but who the hell's talking about it? RG learned about the EMAs today. Maybe he watched your video course. He doesn't use EMAs. Richard doesn't use indicators. What are you talking? Are you talking about somebody else? Giano? He doesn't use indicators. None of them. He's not a fan of those. Boom. Lately, I've been hearing he uses RSI and MACD, not the EMAs. He makes fun of people that use those. Let's go to the comments. Prince says, Julian, I think you're from Ghana, right? What the hell? What the hell? Manny, your shirt says just do it. Okay. That's why you throw $100 at Shiba. Yep. Professor is Adam. For real, for real. Who the hell is Adam? Tesla, what a beast. I know. Thanks, Manny. Yep. Thank you, Manny. You're the best. What is Manny's handle? Manny official or manual official? I don't know. It's one of those two. Someone will put it in the chat. Guys, put it in the chat. It's early. LOL. I'm past my bedtime. Got to go to work tomorrow. All right, guys. That's a wrap then. I guess if it's late, it's late. Have a Tesla earnings tomorrow. All right. We'll look at Tesla and that's it. We'll look at Tesla and that's it. All right. Let's look at it. If its earning is tomorrow, let's look at it. TSLA. I never traded it. I've never bought it. But god damn. When the hell did Tesla become 860? When was this? Yo, Tesla is a juggernaut. They're gonna split again. Tesla will have another split. They wildin'. They are wildin'. Stage 2. Okay, cool. God damn. Look at that. The 52-week. God bless Elon Musk, bro. God bless him. All success to him. We got 940 all-time high. Looks good. Go to the 2 hour for a second. Yep, its earnings are October 20th. Let me tell you, I hope y'all got calls on Elon Musk. On Tesla, because Tesla will go bananas. I'm telling you right now. Just rewatch the video if you don't believe me. Excuse me. Write it down. Boom. All right, guys. That's a wrap. I'm done. It's a wrap. It's over. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Thank you for joining me. We broke a nice record today on the live watch. I appreciate it. Yeah, see what happens when you guys thumbs up? It shoots the algorithm out there. So boom. I love it. I appreciate all of you for coming on. Thank you for Manny for coming on. Thank you for Matthew for coming on. Thank you for everyone who decides to come on. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying on with me on a Tuesday, as always. Again, remember, guys, I won't be live on Friday. My seminar is this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday. We live trade on Tuesday. So I won't be seeing you guys this Friday. I'll see you next week. Let me see what Mark says. If he's not too busy in Dubai, we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Let me knock out some. Can someone? Good night, Professor. Good night. Fred is saying no. It's all good, Fred. I'll be back next Tuesday. Do you have a Discord? How can I get into Discord? Prince, I don't have a Discord. My course is free. The link is down below. My course is free. My book is free. My trading journal is free. I have virtual seminars, 4-day events that teach you how to trade everything from A to Z. Everything trading related. You can use that to trade stocks, trade cryptocurrencies, swing trade as well. The same things are involved when it comes to it. I offer all of that. Boom. They're once a month, even though I'm moving my November to December. So it's going to be this month and then December. And then that's a wrap for the year. So boom, I only limited 20 people. I actually just want 10, but 20 is fine. I like 10 because it's more interactive. When people have too many people on the live, you don't learn that way. What you have to understand when it comes, for me anyway, it's I want people to interact. It's a great learning experience when the students interact with the professor and you learn that way. So I keep it very tight and small. I will never go more than 20. No amount of money is going to make me go more than 20. Boom, 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 boom. You're welcome, everybody. Thank you for all the thank you. You're all welcome. I appreciate all of you. You're really the best at teaching. Thank you, Sophie. I appreciate you. Thank you, everyone. I see everybody. Muchas gracias. De nada. Sales. You should do an extra hour since you're not on Friday. We got to send you a donation, the Cash App. You give out a lot of free game. Young Trail, no need for that. Just go watch the free course, take that money and trade it and double it and triple it and boom. There you go. There you go. Do that. Do that. Or go feed some poor people. Go feed some homeless people. Buy them food. Help out at a food kitchen or something, especially Thanksgiving is coming around. Christmas, a lot of homeless people. Do that. That's what you can do. So boom. And tell me that you did that. Send me a picture or something. That means the world to me. All right, that's a wrap, everybody. Yes, no Friday, guys. I have a seminar this week, boom. That starts. What are you talking about, Riot, Professor? Yeah, just watch the recording. This will be saved. Just watch the recording. And I talked about it already. That's a wrap. Good night, guys. Don't buy a badge. Eric is funny. All right, that's a wrap. Let's end this live. I know how to end it.